Hey there, savvy wealth seekers. Today we're embarking on a thrilling journey into a world of untapped potential. The exhilarating realm of stocks that could pave your path to riches in 2023. I'm Mr. Get Paid, your financial compass on this exciting voyage to uncover the most promising stocks that might just skyrocket your portfolio. So, fasten your seatbelts because we're about to dive deep into the art of smart investing and unveil the tantalizing opportunities that lie ahead. Our expedition begins with the electrifying realm of tech titans and innovators, where the future is being forged by groundbreaking technologies. Imagine investing in companies that are not only shaping industries, but also redefining the fabric of our existence through cutting-edge innovations. From artificial intelligence that predicts the unpredictable to blockchain technology that ensures trust in a digital world and cloud computing that connects us globally like never before. These pioneers of the digital age are unlocking new dimensions in how we live, work, and interact, presenting you with an opportunity to be a part of an unprecedented wave of transformation. Investing in these trailblazers means having a stake in the future, from autonomous vehicles navigating bustling cities to the fusion of augmented reality with everyday life. These companies are not only igniting your potential for wealth, but also ushering in an era of progress that could redefine entire sectors, offering returns that extend far beyond monetary gains. So, as you consider these dynamic tech titans and innovators, remember you're not just investing in stocks, you're investing in the very evolution of our world. Hold on to your hats, because we're about to dive headfirst into a world of potential and possibility. The high-voltage domain of sustainable and green energy ventures. Imagine investing in companies that aren't just chasing profits, they're harnessing the raw power of nature to fuel a sustainable future. These aren't just companies, they're trailblazers leading the charge towards a greener, more eco-friendly world, while potentially turbocharging your portfolio. Picture this, a world where vehicles hum with electric life, powered by cutting-edge technology and renewable energy sources, and where your investments align with both financial growth and environmental well-being. Investing in sustainable and green energy ventures means more than just monetary returns. It's a step towards a cleaner, more sustainable planet for generations to come. Here's the kicker. As the world shifts towards cleaner energy, the demand for innovative technologies like solar, wind, and battery storage skyrockets, potentially unlocking a realm of financial gains. Your investment in these visionary companies could reap rewards through not just capital appreciation, but also dividends, a share of the profits, allowing you to reap the benefits of your eco-conscious choices. So, as you navigate the world of sustainable and green energy ventures, remember, you're not just investing in stocks, you're investing in a brighter, cleaner, and more sustainable tomorrow for our planet and your portfolio. Get ready to plug into a world of potential where your investments power not only financial growth, but also contribute to the global movement towards a greener, more sustainable future. Moving forward, we enter the realm of life-changing discoveries, the dynamic domain of healthcare revolutionaries. Picture investing in companies that are rewriting the rules of healthcare with innovative treatments, cutting-edge medical devices, and transformative therapies. These pioneers hold the potential to not only revolutionize healthcare, but also potentially turbocharge your portfolio as they redefine the boundaries of medical science. Now, brace yourselves for a pulse-pounding plunge into the heart of digital commerce, the electrifying world of e-commerce and online retail titans. It's a journey where your investments won't just follow trends, they'll help redefine the very fabric of how we shop, connect, and experience the modern marketplace. Imagine a world where you're not just an investor, but a digital explorer venturing into the virtual aisles of companies that are shaping the future of retail. These titans of online retail are not merely brands, they're architects of seamless shopping experiences, driving innovation that reshapes the way we discover, purchase, and receive products. With the rise of e-commerce, the possibilities for growth are as boundless as the digital landscape itself. Whether it's e-tailers using data-driven insights to anticipate your needs or pioneering delivery networks speeding up the last mile, these companies are redefining retail efficiency. Think about the potential, from cutting-edge technology influencing buying decisions to the intersection of social media and e-commerce creating an entirely new era of personalized shopping. Your investments in e-commerce and online retail titans mean you're not just buying shares, you're becoming a part of a retail revolution that's making the traditional brick-and-mortar model obsolete. And here's the thrill. As these companies keep pushing boundaries and innovating, the potential for returns isn't just promising, it's electrifying. A strategic investment in this sector could mean riding the wave of changing consumer habits and technological advancements. Remember, your journey with e-commerce and online retail titans isn't just about financial gains, it's about embracing the shift, seizing opportunities, and being a part of the narrative that's reshaping how we interact with products and brands. So, as you navigate the realm of e-commerce and online retail titans, get ready to be more than just an investor. Be a trendsetter, an advocate for innovation, and a driver of the digital evolution that's propelling your portfolio towards unprecedented heights. And there you have it, intrepid investors, a tantalizing glimpse into the potential stocks that could pave your path to riches in 2023. Remember, behind every successful investment is diligent research, strategic thinking, and a keen eye for opportunity. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the stock market game, stay informed, stay hungry, and get ready to seize the potential for prosperity and financial success.